Hello, dear students. Good morning. Our next topic is force and energy. Dear students, if you take a ball, say football, and you kick it, it moves with the same speed as the force applied. I mean to say that if we kick it slightly, it moves to a little distance, and if we kick it with a strong force, it goes far away. So I will say. Force is defined as a push or pull acting on a body. There are different types of forces: gravitational force, frictional force, electrostatic force, magnetic force, elastic force, muscular force, buoyant force. Let us talk about a buoyant force called gravitational force. Now, students, if I throw a ball upwards after some time, it falls on the earth because earth pulls it. Earth pulls all things towards its center. This force is called a gravitational force. So, gravitational force is defined as a force that exists in all objects in the universe by virtue of its weight. Frictional force. Frictional force is a force that is produced when two surfaces rub against each other. Frictional force slows down a moving object. Electrostatic force. The electrostatic force produced by some objects that moves other bodies is called electrostatic force. Magnetic force. Force possessed by virtue of magnets is called magnetic force. Electrostatic force. If we take a spring or a rubber band and stretch it, again comes to its original shape after being released, this force is called electrostatic force. Muscular force. When muscles are used to push, pull, twist, lift an object, it is called muscular force. Buoyant force. Buoyant force is the upward force exerted by a fluid when a body is immersed in the fluid. Now simple machines. A machine makes a work easier and faster, and by using little effort, a machine with few or no moving parts is called a simple machine. Simple machines are of 6 types: lever, pulley, wheel and axle,